Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer earnings from Teespring by Spring to bank. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer your earnings from Teespring by Spring to your bank, first, log into your Teespring account. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. On your dashboard, locate the Earnings tab. Click on the Earnings tab to access your revenue information. Here, you will see your total earnings and any pending payments. To initiate a transfer, look for the Transfer Earnings button. Click on the Transfer Earnings button to begin the process. Next, you may need to link your bank account if you haven't done so already. Select the option to add a bank account. Fill in the required details, including your bank's routing number and your account number. Once you have entered your banking information, double-check it for accuracy. After confirming your bank details, click the Save or Link Account button. Now that your bank account is linked, return to the Earnings section. You should now see your available amount for transfer. Enter the amount you wish to transfer to your bank. Make sure it does not exceed your available earnings. After entering the amount, click the Transfer button. A confirmation message should appear to indicate the transfer has been processed. You will receive an email notification regarding the status of your transfer. Typically, it may take a few business days for the funds to appear in your bank account. Keep an eye on your bank account for the incoming transfer. If there are any issues, check your email for any notifications from Teespring. Now you have successfully transferred your earnings from Teespring to your bank. Congratulations on completing the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.